This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English punctuation question. This question, basically all the answer choices are the same. They have a semicolon, or in this case, a comma, and then different connecting words to connect these two sentences. So let's just first look at the sentence to see what the author's purpose is, and then we'll go through the answer choices. So the sentence is, these observations reveal problems with traditional views. The standard arguments that girls excel in word problems while boys excel in math do not always hold true. So we have two separate phrases here. We have this thing about observations revealing problems. So that's a separate idea. And then we have arguments that girls are good at word problems and boys are good at math are not exactly true. So since these are two separate thoughts, these are two separate sentences that could stand alone, we don't want to connect them with a comma like we do in this choice one. So this is a comma splice, when you have two things that can stand alone, but you put a comma between them. So that's not good. Our next three answer choices correctly use a semicolon. So we definitely want a semicolon here because these are two standalone answer choices, but we want to make sure that we're using the right connecting words. So a semicolon can only connect two things that can stand alone as sentences. So let's look at these choices. Right here we have and. So adding this and here makes this not a standalone sentence. It makes this dependent clause. So, and the standard arguments don't hold true. That's not its own sentence, so we can't use a semicolon for that. Same thing with when. So when the standard arguments do not hold true, also not a standalone clause. That's a dependent clause. So it can't be connected with a semicolon. The only one that makes sense is choice number 3, because we have sentence 1 and then sentence 2 connected by a semicolon, but they're still standalone phrases. You're not creating these dependents like in choices 2 and 4.